Happy Friday, y'all. It's a 3-day weekend. Yes, it is. So I'm going to barbecue or smoke. I'm going to do a smoked pork roast. This thing's frozen solid. And it's $6.60. That's what I paid for it. I got an Edwards pie. I didn't get a cake for my birthday. I made one, so I think I'm going to just do this. I caught myself getting some little biscuits. These were $1.68. I see why they were cheap. They had this 2-pack of Philadelphia cream cheese for $5. I got the unsweet red diamond tea. I got some whole milk. This ground beef was $2.47 a pound. I got the Vanderkamp pork and beans. Got 4 cans of those. One day I'm going to do grits because I don't fix breakfast. So sometimes I have breakfast for dinner. So I got the grits. I got pan sausage and bacon in the freezer. I get this Country Time lemonade to put in my tea. I got an unsweet tea from Raising Cane, my son's favorite spot. And these eggs, y'all. These eggs today, $6.08 for 18 eggs. I was like, oh my goodness. So the prices are creeping up. So when I see things that are on sale, now 2 weeks ago, Albertsons had 18 eggs for $1.49, but they didn't have any of them. I could have got 4 on sale for what I paid. Well, I couldn't have got but 2 anyway, but I could have honestly used 2 different accounts and got 4 for what I paid for one. $6.08 for eggs. My goodness. All right, y'all, that's all I have. I just wanted to show y'all. I hadn't been on in a while, but I wanted to share what I purchased. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye. Happy Saturday, y'all. This Labor Day weekend. So I went out to Kroger. They had buy 2 sodas, get 3 free. But the boxes were on the back of a truck and they got wet. So when my son got ready to move them, 2 of them bursted. So I got them in the sink and some bleach water. A couple of them, we lost a couple of cans too. I got me 3 things of turnips and 1 thing of mustard greens. Y'all know I eat greens just about. I can have that every Sunday. I got that. I got Kroger also had buy 1 thing of St. Louis style baby back and get the other free. Y'all know I used to always get the St. Louis, but the thing about that is you got a whole piece right here that be part of that tenderloin. You end up having it gets too hard. Not all the time, but I just didn't want to fool with that, so I got the baby backs this time. I'm getting ready to make a stroganoff, so I got the noodles. I got me a watermelon. I got me an onion and a green onion. Just because it don't keep very well, I just got enough what I'm going to use. I think I have another one for to make the stroganoff, though. I couldn't get the Richard dressing mix. They didn't have it at Walmart, so I got the Savoys, which I like the Richard better. I got tomato paste because I got some okra. I got some bananas. I'm going to make a banana pudding. I also got some carnation milk. Y'all, this is $1.98, $2 somewhere, but it was $1.72 at Walmart. That's why I like to go ahead and get them from Sam's. I got the crab barbecue sauce. This is 99 cents. They didn't have the original. They were all out of the original, so I had to get I got 3 sweet honeys, and then I got some Italian dressing. Whoop, the fat-free kind. I guess that's what I need though. At Thousand Island. It's the fat-free too. Oh. I haven't had that, but I guess that's what I needed. I got the smoked Gouda. Y'all know I use that for my mac and cheese. These were 99 cents, and this is the vanilla jello. I got vanilla, and then I got fudge chocolate and just regular chocolate. I'm making a banana pudding. Now, I know a lot of people use the banana flavor. I don't like anything flavored like that, banana, because to me it tastes artificial. So I don't use, when I make my banana pudding, I use the vanilla, and I add a little vanilla extract to it to make it taste more like homemade. To me, if you use a banana pudding, to me it tastes artificial. I got some brown sugar. That's to make my baked beans. I use this, that, and green bell pepper. I have that already. I have some okra, like I told y'all. So I got some dry shrimp. I'll probably make that to have for my lunch a couple of days. Nobody eat it but me. I got the beef broth. That's to make my stroganoff I'm gonna make. And I got my whipped topping for my and it's okay. I like Cool Whip, but Great Value is fine for a dish like that. Now, if it's going to be something you're just going to use the Cool Whip itself and not blend it with anything, I want the brand. But if I'm going to use that mixed with my condensed milk and my pudding, then it's okay if it's not the Cool Whip brand. macaroni and cheese, I'm using ziti because I like the big noodles and they didn't have them at Walmart. And this, the Great Value pasta is good. We use it at church. It's good. And I'm making the banana pudding. Y'all, I am so sad they don't have the Jack vanilla wafers anymore. So I didn't want to get the vanilla wafers. I had some of those. I don't particularly care for the flavor, but I'm going to use these and just try them and see. I know the vanilla wafers is not what I like. This might not be either, but I'll just try it. And that's all I have, y'all. And this, I think, was maybe $100. Yeah. The only thing you don't see here, I got two. Kroger had their water 40 count for $3.99. I went ahead and got that. I was completely out. But I mean, I paid about $6.58 at Sam's for those Ozarka. So I said I'd try the Kroger just to see. And that's it. Things in the store are so high. Y'all, you'll see in the previous clip, $6.08 for 18 eggs. All right, y'all, be blessed. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Bye.
I feel the love. I feel it growing every day. I feel the love.